Boom, baby. Good. Right.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, baby, we're in business.
I'll be fine. Oh, that's a beauty.
Let's have a go.
Never mind.
Yeah. Oh,
Yikes.
It's not ideal.
It comes down to TJ.
Come on, TJ.
You know, I left the purse at home there.
Ooh.
It's like low-key straight.
Yeah, no, TJ is straight. Carry.
TJ.
That's not straight.
Yeah, TJ, that was not straight.
It's a par.
Oh, this one's a bomb again. Right down the
That's a
middle.
great shot there.
Yeah, we like that.
Yep. Gonna try to rip a draw here.
That one is well left.
Ooh, damn.
But it's going to be close. Same shot.
Two left.
Oh, I failed.
Where are you at, TJ?
Oh, that's so pure.
Little club 12? Oh, shit.
Oh, that's good. That's good. Somebody's moaning over there in my backswing, but that's cool.
Go.
Should be money.
Yeah.
I was pretty aggressive with it.
That was
pretty
really good.
Tiger. Oh, wow.
Hey!
It's a little far, little spin.
Woo!
Work. Go in.
Woo!
That's all right.
Looks like we got ourselves a tap and birdie.
Look at that.
I mean, 3 wedge shots that are just immaculate.
On go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Dude, I lived in.
I knew I was gonna miss.
Let's go, chat. Oh. Draw.
Oh, wow.
She's cutting.
You sounded good, but she was not good. Look at him waggle over that ball. Yeah, I like
Cut
that.
back.
We got a long look from there. I like it. Look at his cheeks. Oh, that looks not pure. He did the same exact thing I did.
About to get up to it and sink it.
Burn. I just
Okay, that's just a
bounced
little
at the
long.
camera. Might be a little much, but I like that.
Yeah.
Gotta hit it though. Just
That's
kidding.
there.
Just kidding.
Yeah. Yeah. Never a doubt.
Never a doubt. Oh
Nut
yeah.
it on.
Holy slice.
Yeah, that's just
Beautifully played
whole
though.
fade right there.
Yeah.
Damn it.
Low key.
Let's go, TJ.
Good.
It's gotta go, I think.
I thought I got a good distance.
Oh, no, that's good.
Yeah.
That's long. Cut.
Go.
Ah!
DJ? Could have put a good putt on it.
Hey, now.
You're an all-star.
Oh, baby.
No. Alright, let's run for par there.
No reason not to be aggressive.
I'll
Wow.
give it a chance.
That's a short. Yeesh, bud.
Oh, yeah.
That is in the other
That
fairway.
is so good.
Oh, baby. Up to Matthew.
Money.
Keep drawing.
It's
That
clip.
deep?
Clip.
Nope.
Oh, not there. Gross.
Get there. Oh shit, I got there, kinda.
That could be alright. I like it better. Oh, that's heap.
Wow, dude. Fucking eat dick. Oh my gosh.
That gotta look cool.
Yeah. Stud man.
He's stepping up. Go do. Oh no. It's the Ricky Fowler glasses right now. About to turn the whole game around. Yeah, the game's not turned around. I just hate Blance. Look at this goofy ass turtle. Scrumptious.
Nut hit on. Bring it on home, TJ. Hey, all in the trees.
Nah. Yep.
Holy penetration. Ooh, that could be real good.
You're not gonna hit? Yeah, especially with that pace.
Oh, that's in.
No.
Alright. Wow, dude. Oh, draw.
See ya. No way.
Hey now. That's gonna be good.
Alright, I like that. Oh, wow.
That's on the green, baby. That is on the green. No! That's not on the... We just
should have a look.
That's off.
Shot DJ. Go!
Holy fucking rocky putting stroke, dude. This is not it. We suck.
Damn.
Oh, way back.
Hey now. Ah! Got right on you.
There it is. That's really
Gotta
short.
go.
Never mind.
Get down on it.
That's crazy.
Yo, that is so...
Hey yo, you fucking suck! No. It's so short. Oh, the bounce!
Hey now!
Let's go.
Hey now, we got a putt. We got a putt. Boom.
Let's go.
Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. That's a birdie.
Cuckoo, cuckoo.
Hell nah.
Oh,
yeah.
Just can't
No.
put it right.
Right in the
Broke
fishies.
my teeth.
Oh, get there.
No.
Oh, no way.
That's silky.
Yup. Stay there. Oh,
wow. Oh, man.
Oh, Matthew hit it. Yeah. I just didn't hit it, and I pulled it, and it was bad. That was terrible.